Hey y'all, what's up? This is Liz of Talk Your Ish Liz podcast, and I'm here with another episode of Bedroom Unscripted. Y'all already know if you've seen my other videos how it goes. Nothing is cut off. If I fumble my words, if I mess up, if I roll out this bed, fall on my head, everything is included because it's Bedroom Unscripted, right? I want to, number one, say thank you for tuning into my channel. It is greatly appreciated. Number two, I want to thank my little bit of subscribers that I have now, and I'm hoping to get more subscribers. So go ahead and click the subscribe button. Also click the notification button so you can be notified once I do other videos. I've said it in previous videos that I have on my channel that I am working on a room in my house. I have a couple of spare rooms, but one of my spare rooms I'm going to actually turn into a studio / office, so it will be more fancy and things like that when I actually start doing real episodes as far as my podcast is concerned. But right now I want to come to you guys because I have breaking news. Like, this is breaking news. Like, this is breaking news. Like, when I say ish just got real, it just got real. And if you don't believe me, just go ahead and read this right quick, and I'll be right back. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Now, word on the curb is that information was leaked. So I don't know who at the Supreme Court leaked this information, but word on the curb is they're going to overthrow Roe v. Wade, which is going to make it extremely hard. And what's going to happen is a lot of states are going to now, especially here in Florida, y'all governor already trying to take on the same bill that they did in Texas. And I know there's a young lady in Texas, I think, got arrested and charged with like murder or attempted murder or something like that for having an abortion. I say this, ladies, and right now I'm speaking strictly to my ladies, right? I know that you think you're in love. I know that you just he's the one for you, and he is God's gift. But I say that to say this: if he's God's gift and he's the one for you, and you sleep with him unprotected and have to have an abortion if you get pregnant, he's not the one for you. And he's not God's gift. Let me repeat that one more time. If you're with him and sleeping with him unprotected, and you know in doing so, if you get pregnant, that you have to have an abortion, he's not the one for you. And I know that, we think we be in love because he say everything that we want to hear. And then you put yourself in a situation where you are the one that have to put your body on that table, number one, to get this abortion, wear and tear on your body. So if you don't have any kids and you go get an abortion, you ruin your chances of maybe being able to have kids in the future. I don't know if you girls know that. But with this abortion ban, I feel like it's a target on women, right? Because even though there are women in the Supreme Court, those are women who feel the same way those men do on the Supreme Court. So I'm coming to you, ladies, from woman to woman. Birth control is free with your insurance. If you have Medicaid, birth control is free. So I say this is a time in your life, young ladies, that you need to protect yourself, because the consequence for having an abortion, and if it ends up one day with jail time to be faced, he not facing jail time with you. You're basically facing it by yourself. And if something happened where you have to have an abortion, and they're putting all these plans in place to basically make it illegal, and then you end up having to do it in somebody's back room with a clothes hanger and some alcohol and a couple of cotton balls, you're putting your life in danger. So the reason I wanted to do this bedroom unscripted tonight was because, again, it just got real. Now, it's not going to take place immediately. This is something that's going to happen in the next few months from what I read. But I just feel like you girls have to definitely start thinking of yourselves before you think of these guys, because things like this only makes it harder on you. It is so easy to get birth control to protect yourself. And then I feel like something like this, you already have incidences where you have women young ladies who are forced to have babies that they don't want. And then normally what happens with that? You have babies being thrown in the trash. You have babies being killed. It's like you have a way to protect yourself, ladies, because the Supreme Court is not going to protect you. And these states are not going to protect you. I'm not going to make it Democrat versus Republican, liberals. Forget all that. We talking woman to woman. Protect yourself, because things like this is not here to benefit you. Number one, you don't want to be stuck with kids that you don't want. Number two, you don't want to be having a baby from a dude that you know you really don't want to have a baby with. And number three is why put your body through that type of trauma when you can prevent it, right? It's preventable. So with this bill that's going to go on, with this law that they're going to pass, kicking out the Roe v. Wade, if you guys don't really understand how it works, you should read up on it. Because again, this was leaked. This is breaking news tonight, today, whatever. This is breaking news. And this is something that's going to be put in place, and different states are going to take their own take on it. Majority of these states are governed by men who really don't care. A lot of them are old men. So they just be talking, telling women what to do with their bodies. And I'm not telling you girls what to do with your bodies. I'm telling you to protect yourself. You have to definitely, right now, in this time, protect yourselves. Because when the ish hit the fan, because right now, the ish is laying on the fan. The fan ain't turned on yet. But in a couple of months, when they eliminate Roe v. Wade, and the fan is turned on and the shit is hitting you in your face, then you'll see. You're going to come back and be like, Liz has said. Protect yourself. That's all I got to say. Protect yourself. Birth control is free with your insurance. And if you have Medicaid, it is definitely free. They have different type of birth control methods to protect you. So if you still want to screw old boy raw dog, go right ahead. But protect yourself. And that's really all I have to say on this episode of Bedroom Unscripted. Bedroom Unscripted. I just wanted to come through, let y'all know what was going on. In the next few months, when it hit the fan and it starts spinning and it's slapping people in the face, I'll come back and speak on it. Hopefully I'll be in my studio then and everything will be peachy clean. But that's all I want to say. I'm not going to preach to y'all no more. I'm just putting it out there with this breaking news that just happened tonight with this Roe v. Wade thing and this abortion bans. I can tell y'all now it's going to be a lot of protests now from state to state because, again, it's just got real. This is Talk Your Ish Liz podcast. I'm Liz. I'm going to go ahead and sign off because I'm just shocked. But not really. But I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And make sure, ladies, make sure you guys protect yourself. Don't let these dudes just be running up in you, shooting up the club, and then now you have to make a decision on your life. Make the decision before you let him shoot up the club, right? Do that. It ain't that much love in the world where you'll put yourself in a position where you'll be stuck either trying to terminate or with the baby. Neither one of them are fun. So again, I'm going to sign off with that. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your night. Whatever time you're watching this video. Again, like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the notification button because I would definitely have a lot more videos to come. But you guys take it easy. Much love.